Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and here I am showing a quick and easy card, and I am using Floral frames, which I am in love with this set. I really like all the flowers, and this one comes with a coordinating frameless set, which is foliage frame. And again, as usual, when you get them together, you save 10% in both of them, so it's better to get the bundle. Now, one of the cool things to note is that this set comes with a lot of leaves, so and it actually comes in pairs, so you have 2 of each, which is great when you are die cutting. I think I showed in a previous video, but I just went crazy and did a lot of those leaves that will help me embellish some of my future cards. And also, this frame is good to note that this does not die cut this section. However, there are these 2 frameless cuts those flowers, and if you see, you have them right there. It's the same as this one's, so you can die cut this section and then use the flowers to get almost the same look as this one. But again, this does not cut this one as you would think it would. So anyway, so let's just get started with this. I have here my card, and this time I'm using thick Whisper White, and this one is 5.5 by 8.5 as usual. I'm just using the thick one this time because it's gonna be in my card base. And so let me just use my bone folder here, and again, always use your bone folder so you can have a crisp fold. Then I have a piece of petal pink, and this one is 5 1/4 by 4, and this one is 5 by 3 3/4. Okay, so this one will go like so. I already pre-punched a 2-inch circle with the soft seafoam, and I have already inked or stamped and die cut these little flowers just to save some time. And again, I've used these 2 and these 2 for die cutting. That way it will go a little bit faster. Now, for my central panel, I'm going to be using also the Memento ink, and let's just go with this just to make sure I have a good coverage. And we're going to be putting it like so, right in the middle. Again, do not rock it, just press firmly. And there we go. So that's how it looks. Now for my for the sentiment, I'm gonna stamp on this section the wishing you the best. I have here, and I'm gonna be using Tranquil Tide. Let me see, where is the Tranquil Tide? Oh, here it is. It was buried here under this. Okay, so let's just again press firmly, do not rock it, and you should see, there we go. Pretty good, huh? So that's how, and this one will go actually right there. Now for my coloring, let's just start with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Petal Pink Light on the blends. These are the new blends that have been released with the new catalog, and they are already available for you to get them. All of the colors are now available in stock. For a while we couldn't get them, but now they are. I think mid-July this year they all became available. So I'm just going around and adding color, and I'm going to be doing the same. I'm going to be adding some of the darker shade on the areas where there are lines, as you can see here. All right, and then I'm going to go back with the lighter shade and blend. The same with this one. Just bear with me. I know this is the part that takes a little bit of time, but I love how the blends look. They look that you can mix the colors pretty well. Oh, seems like I didn't do anything here. And let's just add, then blend. And again, I'm just going with the lighter color and blend everything so you don't see the two shades. You just see a nice blend. So there we go. So these are those. Now, as far as the leaves, I have two colors, and this one is Call Me Clover and Soft Sea Foam. So for those, I'm going to go ahead and do this. And I'm using right now the lighter shade of the Call Me Clover. And then I'm going to go back with the darker shade. So just bear with me here. Again, it takes a little bit of time, but it always looks absolutely gorgeous when you're doing those. So I'm just going to be putting a little bit of that. A little bit of that. All right. And then I'm also going to be doing those little dots on this, because it's gonna be really hard to kind of blend anything on those, don't you think? All right. Okay. So now I'm gonna go back with the Call Me Clover. Just so that I don't see much of it. Just to blend a little bit better. There we go. The same thing here. There we go. And then for the other leaves, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the dark of those, and I won't even try to do any blending. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the leaves on these ones, because the colors are so soft and the leaves are so small. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color them. Oh, I forgot about those little leaves. There's more here. All right, there we go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and glue this one to my card base. And give me 1 second here. There it is. Okay. Alrighty. We're gonna go ahead and put it in like so. Then we're gonna go ahead and glue this one to my card base. Okay. And let's just put Wink of Stella on these ones, right? Because you want to have some sort of shimmery look on the flowers, or at least I want to. Again, the Wink of Stella always gives so much to your stamping. It adds a lot, and it's really easy. There's no much effort. This is really one of those tools that you definitely want to give it a try, because it makes it look so much better. And I'll show you right in a second. Okay, so here it is. You can see it better. And can you see a little bit of that shimmery look? Okay, so now for this, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be gluing this one right there. Oh. I'm going to go ahead and just put it like so. And then I'm going to be adding these ones with dimensionals. So give me a second here. I know I had them a second ago. Where are they? Where are they? Okay, I'm just going to go with this one. Oh, here. I'm like, where are they? I know I had them here. So I'm going to go ahead and add dimensionals. All right. So we're going to be adding these like so. And then this one's also like that. All right, so now to finish up this card, I'm going to be adding some of the basic baked adhesive back sequins, and you can see them here. These are really soft colors, and they have pink, petal pink on this one, so these are the ones that I'm going to be using. And I think I'm going to just be adding like 3 of them or so. There we go. So then the next thing, just to finish up this card, is I'm going to be adding some rhinestones to the center of those flowers to add a little bit of bling. I think that this detail always adds a lot to it. And here we go. So here it is. Quick and simple, right? So anyway, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget about my ordering special, which when you place an order with me using the hostess code of the month, which is on my blog at creatingwithali.com, you'll get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards, and you'll get everything, embellishments, cardstock, everything except the stamping. You'll have to provide the stamping. Also, if your order is $50 or more, then you also get the accessory of the month, which could be the sequins, it could be rhinestones, it could be anything really, and every month will be different. So thank you so much. And oh, by the way, I'll put the link to my blog on the description of the video, as well as all the items that I used to make this card. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.